staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. Surprising benefits of beets for longevity. Beets, also known as beetroot, are a root vegetable that have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. They are packed with nutrients and have a wide range of health benefits that can promote longevity. In this video, we'll be talking about the surprising benefits of beets for longevity and why you should consider incorporating them into your diet. What are beets? Beets are a root vegetable that are usually deep red or purple in color. They have a sweet, earthy flavor and can be eaten raw, cooked, or pickled. Beets are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. Beets contain several unique compounds, including betalains, which are responsible for their deep red color. Betalains have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help protect the body against chronic diseases. Beets are rich in nutrients. Beets are low in calories but high in nutrients. They are a good source of fiber, folate, potassium, manganese, and vitamin C. Here is a breakdown of the nutrients found in a 100-gram serving of cooked beets. Calories: 44, protein, 1.6 grams, fat, 0.2 grams, carbohydrates, 10 grams, fiber, 2.8 grams. Folate: 20% of the RDI, potassium, 9% of the RDI, manganese, 16% of the RDI, vitamin C, 6% of the RDI. Beets may lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. Several studies have shown that beets may help lower blood pressure. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels, which can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. One study found that drinking a cup of beet juice lowered systolic blood pressure by an average of 4 to 5 points. Another study found that taking a beetroot supplement reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. These findings suggest that beets may be an effective way to lower blood pressure naturally. Beets may improve athletic performance. Beets have been shown to improve athletic performance in several studies. This is because the nitrates found in beets can help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles, which can increase endurance and reduce fatigue. One study found that drinking beetroot juice improved the time to exhaustion during high-intensity exercise by 16%. Another study found that taking a beetroot supplement improved cycling performance and reduced the perception of effort during exercise. If you are an athlete or just looking to improve your physical performance, adding beets to your diet may be beneficial. Beets may improve brain function. Beets contain several compounds that are beneficial for brain health. One of these compounds is betaine, which has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. Another compound found in beets is nitric oxide, which helps improve blood flow to the brain. This can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Finally, beets are also rich in folate, which is essential for brain health. Folate helps produce neurotransmitters, which are important for mood and cognitive function. Beets may lower inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to a wide range of diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Beets have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. One study found that drinking beetroot juice reduced markers of inflammation in the blood, including C-reactive protein, CRP, and interleukin-6, IL-6. Another study found that a beetroot supplement reduced inflammation in overweight and obese individuals. The anti-inflammatory properties of beets may be due to their high content of betalains, which have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Beets may reduce the risk of cancer. Cancer is a complex disease that can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, environmental factors, and lifestyle choices. However, certain foods, such as beets, may help reduce the risk of cancer. Beets contain several compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, including betalains and betaine. One study found that beetroot extract inhibited the growth of breast cancer cells in the laboratory. Another study found that beets reduced the risk of colon cancer in rats by reducing the formation of pre-cancerous lesions in the colon. While more research is needed to determine the anti-cancer properties of beets in humans, the early findings are promising. Beets may improve digestive health. Beets are a good source of fiber, which is essential for good digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and reduce the risk of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and diverticulitis. In addition, beets contain a compound called betaine, which helps stimulate the production of stomach acid. This can improve digestion and nutrient absorption, which can help reduce the risk of nutrient deficiencies. Beets may boost immune function. Beets are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. In addition, beets contain several compounds, including betalains and betaine, that have been shown to have immune-boosting properties. One study found that beetroot extract increased the activity of natural killer cells, which are an important part of the immune system. Beets may help maintain healthy weight. Beets are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help promote healthy weight management. Fiber helps regulate appetite and reduce cravings, which can help prevent overeating and weight gain. In addition, beets contain a compound called betaine, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a major risk factor for obesity and metabolic disorders such as type 2 diabetes. How to incorporate beets into your diet? There are many ways to incorporate beets into your diet. Here are some ideas. Roast beets in the oven and serve them as a side dish. Make a beet salad with mixed greens, goat cheese, and walnuts. Blend beets into a smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk. Add sliced beets to sandwiches or wraps. Make beet hummus by blending cooked beets with chickpeas, tahini, and lemon juice. Juice beets and mix the juice with other fruits and vegetables. Conclusion: beets are a nutrient-dense vegetable that offer a wide range of health benefits. They can help lower blood pressure, improve athletic performance, boost brain function, reduce inflammation, and more. If you are looking to improve your overall health and longevity, consider adding beets to your diet in a variety of ways. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.